Hello and welcome to the Presero training series. In this lesson, we will be covering how to configure and add budgets in your Presero B2B storefronts. Let's begin by logging into the Presero admin with the information provided to you. In order to locate budgets at the site level, go to your sites, choose one of the site, and click on Budgets. Budgets allow you to set and track a spending limit for B2B storefronts. Your budgets can be set up for an entire site. For site users, user assigned to specific location, department, or the site groups, or for specific site users. Please note, budgets are not a payment method. They are a spending limit that applies to all available payment methods. Once budgets are enabled on a site, by default, all site users must select a budget at checkout. You may override this requirement by adding users to a site group that has the permission can check out without selecting a budget. You can find this permission at User Management, Site Groups, edit one of the site group, and there is a permission known as Can Check Out without selecting a budget. In this lesson, we will learn how to configure the budget tracking in your Presero admin account, adding budget to the navigation menu, and budget in a Presero B2B storefront, that is your customer experience. Let's start with how to configure the budget tracking in your Presero admin account first. In the Site Budgets area, click on Add New. Next, enter the information about this budget. Code. This code represents the budget is displayed at checkout to any user who are authorized to use it. Description. Enter a general description for the budget, which will also be displayed at checkout to any user who are authorized to use it. Type. Make a selection to set which users on the site will be able to use this budget. Choose from Site. All the users of this site can use this budget. Location. Only users assigned to a specific location can use this budget. Department. Only users assigned to a specific department can use this budget. Group. Only users who are a member of specific site group can use this budget. User. Only a specific user can use this budget. If you choose the type of the budget as location, department, group, or user, you will get an additional option known as target. Select the specific location, department, group, or user that should be able to use the budget. Budget. Enter the total amount that may be spent against this budget. Do not include any currency symbols. The currency assigned through the site culture will automatically be used. Recur. Select the frequency at which the budget should automatically recur. Options are one time. Use this setting if you do not want the budget to recur automatically. Weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Rollover balance. If you choose to have the budget recur automatically, the rollover balance option will appear. Check this box to have any unused budget amount be applied to the next record budget. Start date. If you choose one time from the recur menu, you will get an option of start date and end date. Enter the date and time at which this budget should no longer be available for use. Click Save once you are finished. Please note, for one-time occurring budgets, do not recur, so when you save in the edit area of a one-time budget, it will automatically update the balance to the amount shown for the budget. If you are editing a one-time budget so that you can add a new transaction, You should save the transaction only and not select save after doing so. If you do select save for the main budget area, the transaction will be removed and the budget will reset. Unless you set start date in the future, in that case, though the balance in admin would update, the amount available to the customer in the store would still show the old balance until the start date entered in admin. The example here allows member of the software support department to spend $1,000 per month against the test budget. The balance rolls over automatically to the next month. In order to activate budgets for your site, you will need to go to Settings, General Info, scroll down and you will see Checkout section. There is an option known as Enable Budgets. By default, the prompt that the customer will see at checkout to ask them to select a budget in a site that uses an English culture is Select Budget to Use. You can override this by entering the text in the budget text prompt. Click Save when you are finished. Let's say I want to have a prompt as Choose Budget, and I'll click on Save. To allow members of a site user group to view budget reports, set the ability to view budget report permission to allowed under User Management, Site Groups. Edit one of your site group and ability to view budget reports. Your site navigation menu should also be having the budgets, which you will find under standard items. From here, you can drag and save all the menu changes. In order to view the transaction for the budget, you can go to the budgets, click on the pencil icon to edit the budget, scroll down and there is a column known as transactions. If you click on add new, you have several options: date and time, type, amount, note, and admin user. Preserver also enables you to import a list of budget from an Excel file. Click the blue import bar inside budget to expand the import area. Click the download Excel template to download the import template. Fill out all the desired information. Make sure that each budget has a unique code. Do not delete the column header row from the template. It is necessary for the import to work successfully. After completing and saving your import template in Excel, click Select in the import area and select your import template. If you want the budgets you import to replace all existing budget, click the checkbox on Replace Existing Items. If you want to add budgets without overwriting existing one, leave this box unchecked. Click Import Now to import your file. The results of your upload will be displayed in the Import Results area. This is an example of available budget area user can see on the shopping cart page in their Preservo B2B site. If you click on Proceed to Checkout, you will have an option of Choose Budget. Note that the custom budget prompt entered in the site setting will be displayed here, like in this case it was Choose Budget. If the user has ability to manage and view the budgets, they can go to the budgets added in the navigation menu, one of the navigation menu, choose the budget, click on Edit, make the changes, and also you can export the budget report. Here is an option of export to Excel that will allow you to create the reports for the budgets. There are some permissions in the site group that is related to the budgets. Can manage all budgets. This permission allows user to manage all the budget on the site, including creating new, editing existing budget, its type and target. Can manage accessible budgets. This permission allows user to manage only budgets to which they have access. This means you can edit the budget you have access to, but you can't edit it type or target, like that is user, department, location, or group. It also doesn't grant you access to create the budgets. View all budgets. As the name suggests, these permissions allow user to view the budgets on the site. Can view accessible budgets. This permission allow user to view only budgets to which they have access. This was all about budgets for the B2B storefront. Thank you for watching this video.